Namaskar. Welcome to Lokayan IAS Academy's YouTube channel. So, in our ninth session, in our ninth lecture, we are going to discuss about an important technique called as reinforcement of a topic. So, this technique will help you not stray away a lot from whatever subject you are trying to write about. Okay, it is a very interesting, very powerful technique if used properly. Let's get straight into it. So first and foremost, why do you need this technique? So there's something called as the two-page syndrome. Okay, if you are an experienced writer, you might come across this as a fourth page syndrome. So what basically it does is that as soon as you start writing an essay, let's say you've written your introduction, then you went on to write body. Let's say you have written 2 pages. Okay. As soon as you come to the third page, you start to forget what you are writing, you start to forget what the topic is. Okay. You don't know where your essay is headed, and that mental block continues. Okay. Coming to second page, third page, max if you are a practice writer, sometimes it may happen on the fourth page. Okay. But it happens to the best of us. Okay. So just make sure that you comment in the comment section if you also have faced something like this, because I personally have a lot of times. Okay. So reinforcement of topic. So what it does is basically as soon as we come to at the end of first page, so first page ke end pe will reinforce the subject. Okay. Our introduction ka third part was coming to the subject, so it automatically gets reinforced. Okay. When it comes to, let's say, 2 more pages, after 2 more pages, let's say you're writing 5 paragraphs in 2 pages. Okay. So at the end of the 2 more pages, or let's say 3 points of body, you will try and bring the topic back. You will try and refer to the subject of the essay. Okay. That is basically what reinforcement is. Okay. You're writing an essay, let's say you're talking about causes. So environmental degradation, climate change you're talking about. So due to all of these reasons, the climate has been deteriorating exponentially, or the climate change that we see today is because of these sort of emissions and everything. Okay. On that lines, basically you're trying to bring in the topic in some form or the other. Okay. Based on this, there are 2 distinct ways in which you will be able to use reinforcement. Okay. One is direct, where you directly state the name of the topic. Topic either fully or abbreviated. Okay. Or indirect ways, where you use keywords or corollaries. Okay. So keywords or corollaries, whatever, let's say customary morality is not a guide to modern life. Agar ye aisa topic hai, so you will just mention you're talking about customary morality, or you'll only talk about guide to modern life. Okay. What is modern life? What is customary morality? On that lines basically. So that is how you will try and reinforce. So after, let's say, every 2 pages, 4 paragraphs. So there's no fixed this thing, but it is a good practice to basically track your progress, where you have reached, and connect whatever you are writing with the topic. Okay. So this again will help you as well as the reader to stay on the topic. Okay. So that is it about reinforcement, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. If you have any doubts, please leave them in the comment section. And for further content, please subscribe to Lokayan IAS Academy's YouTube channel. Thank you.